In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off all Pinterest notifications. If you're tired of pings and pop-ups while you're working or relaxing, this walkthrough will help you silence everything quickly and cleanly from the web version of Pinterest. Start by opening your browser and heading to pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your account preferences. Once you're on your home feed, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a small gear or settings icon there. Click that to open the account controls. A panel will appear with several options. Choose Settings to open the full settings page in a new view. This is where you can manage all of your account preferences in one place. On the settings page, look to the left-hand sidebar for the notification section and select it. This is the control center for everything Pinterest tries to send you, including app alerts, emails, and on-site updates. Inside the notifications area, you'll typically see categories for different channels, as well as features, Pinterest highlights to keep you engaged. Your goal here is to stop interruptions entirely. Look for any option labeled highlights or a similarly named summary or digest feature. Open that section and turn it off so Pinterest doesn't bundle and send you a daily or occasional roundup. Next, check for a master switch, sometimes phrased like turn off all notifications or pause all notifications. If you see it, toggle it off to silence everything in one move. If you don't see a single master control, don't worry. You can still achieve the same result by switching off each notification channel you see. Disable push notifications so your phone or desktop won't buzz. Turn off email notifications to keep your inbox clean, and disable on-site alerts so you won't see red badges while browsing. The exact labels may vary slightly, but the principle is the same. Make sure each category is set to off. A quick tip: if you previously allowed notifications in your web browser, you might still see prompts even after turning things off on Pinterest. In that case, check your browser's site permissions for Pinterest and block notifications there as well. That way, you're covered at both the account and browser levels. Once you've finished, your changes usually save automatically. You can come back to this notifications page anytime to re-enable specific updates if you decide you want them later. That's it. Your Pinterest experience should now be quiet and distraction-free.